Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn free coins on the Sweatcoin application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Sweatcoin app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the homepage. Now, within your homepage, you can find various different ways of earning Sweatcoins. You can invite your friends, watch ads to claim daily reward, and much more. If you tap on the claim button underneath the daily reward, you can claim Sweatcoins for 7 days continuously. Tap on the claim button and you will need to watch a small ad to earn your Sweatcoins. Once you get your coin, you can also tap to spin to multiply your earnings by once again watching a small ad. You can also try the various other options to claim your reward. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to claim free coins on the Sweatcoin application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.